we got some fresh goods in the mail, right? So we're gonna do a live unboxing right now. Okay, so this was basically purchased straight off Amazon. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for y'all. Right, so let's open it up and let me show you exactly what I got, man. Okay, so sorry about the noise in the background. That's the birds and the neighbors doing their thing. Yeah, so I just got my hands on this launch X431 Pro Immo Plus, right? It also came with the Xprog 3. So I mean, if you've been following my channel, you know I always trying to add different things to the arsenal, and slowly I am getting into the key programming and the EC repairs. So I'm trying to just tool up to make sure that I'm equipped when a customer calls and need more assistance, right? So I got this off Amazon for like $1,500, right? And I mean, it have a coupon, so you can use that as well. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you to use. And yeah, that's what's up, man. So let's open it up. Like every scan tool, right? For the high-end ones, it comes in a blow molding case. So it comes with the serial number and the instructions and what's in the box, right? So we're just gonna put this to the side for now. Okay. Next, it comes with a nice little Android tablet. You see it's right here. Do we have any charge? Let's put it on and see. Okay, where's the on button? They have a camera in the back. This one don't have a kickstand though. Okay, where do you put this on? Oh, right here. Okay, so we just put this on. It's different from the the next one that I have. I'm gonna leave a picture of it, right? So this is a VCI that comes with it. You gotta put the cable on. All right, and let's put this to the side as well. All right, so while that's booting up, and let's see what else comes in this box. All right, so on this side is a scan tool, and is also can do immobilizer stuff, right? So it comes with the cable for the VCI. This is if you live in Europe, which I don't, right? And this comes goes right here, so you can screw this on, and I love it because it comes with the extension. Okay, so we got if we want to put the cable onto it to hook it up onto the tablet, you can hook it up right here as well, right? And this side go on the vehicle. So we got that. We got the cable to charge. Did it come with some charge? Yes, it does. It's 98%. So it does come with some charge. We have the charger as well. Okay, so what else we have here? So I mean, that's all that comes with this scan tool, right? But what I really purchased the scan tool for, dig, although I have other launch products, is for this. This is the X-Prog 3. As I said, I'm slowly getting into more and more programming, so I decided to get my hands on this, right? So what comes with this kit? So you get the mainframe, the cables, the MCI, probably for different pinouts and stuff like that, right? And voila, let's see what's here. Oh, nice. So this is the full kit, right? It comes with these. What is this? This is like if you want to attach to different modules, and also for like if you want to do transmissions and stuff like that, right? So I don't know what it's about as yet. As I said, I'm slowly getting into it, but this is the Xprog right here, 3. Okay, and this is probably for like what? If you want to connect to the board or something like that. This is the power cable. This is called the XTA01001. This is the MCU 1, MCU 2. What else does it come with? Most likely it comes with the, this is what it comes with. It comes with all the back probes and the connectors that you need when you're hooking up to like transmission and ECU and stuff like that, right? Some little pins to connect and solder. So yeah, that's what's up, man. So as I mentioned before, your boy is slowly doing his thing, right? came with a user manual, right? Hearing police in the background. I'm not sure who they're going after. Once it's not me. Right? And yeah, that's what's up, man. So I just showed you everything that comes with this kit. But matter of fact, let's go beyond. Alright, so it comes with these pins, right? So like if you want to connect to certain pins, you can plug it in, right? And then you could just like, you know, I like it that they have these little features where you could just, you know, attach multiple stuff to it, right? Which is real good. Right, you have different sizes. I saw my boy Eric hook up to a transmission to program it before they actually had to remove the information from the old transmission and put the flash and the EEPROM and stuff like that on the new transmission. And you know, that kind of motivated me to get my own tool with it. And this is 2024 version, right? So this is the main cable here, right? So you hook this up to this front piece here, okay? And with that now, right, if you want to do keys, this is a transponder and stuff like that, right? You gotta make sure you gotta show internet cable, internet setup when you're doing these things, because, and I also have a battery maintainer hooked up when you're doing it, because you don't want to, you know, crash the software while you're programming keys and ECUs and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's up. I don't know what this is for, but we will find out. Probably for, you know, different models. This is like if you want to do a dummy key or something like that, right? So I got the list right here. Okay, so let me don't shortchange you. This is called the MCU 1 and 2. Right, this is the XTA001, right? You got the main cable, you got the main frame, right? What else do they have? This is called a INS cable V1. Not sure what that is, right? You got the, this one here is the MCU cable version 1, right? It's the, if you want to go in bench mode, okay? We got the matching adapters somewhere. What is this one here? This one is thick right here. I'm not sure what that is. Probably if you want to, oh, this is switch power supply. Okay. And yeah, so we have to set this tool up, you know, put all my logins, put all my information in, right? If you want to do keys and, you know, clone keys and stuff, I'm able to do that. So yeah, your boy doing his thing, man. So that's what's up. And they also have other features I can add to this tool. So, you know, stay tuned, right? So we're just going to do a quick unboxing of what is in this X31 Pro Immo Plus. It comes with additional Xprog 3. Yeah, that's it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You're definitely going to see this featured in some videos to come. Till next time, y'all take it easy. Be safe out there. You know, and keep diagnosing. You know how we do. Peace.